got a track. I'm going straight actually.
You're probably not supposed to be touching the piano, John.
I know some people that like wine. Bill and Gus. Yeah, you know who you are. And I wonder, I mean, the display looks really cool. But I wonder if the wine is good. I wouldn't know, but that's a nice bottle there. I like the bottle. Yeah, I'm sure they would taste them and they could decide then. That's what would happen. But I like that display. That's a nice display. Let me introduce to you the Abaco Inn on Elbow Key and the Abacos. Now the Abaco Inn is a resort, a full-fledged resort. Now it's not an all-inclusive. I don't know if they have any packages, but you'd have to all-inclusive packages, but you'd have to check the website. This has been redeveloped, guys. This is a beautiful high-end place with, I'm sure, the amenities. I never got to see inside the rooms of these places, but I'm sure it's first class. The restaurant is beautiful. You've got the ocean side and the bank side are your views. It is astounding. I highly recommend it. Check it out. If you've never been to the Abacos and you want to visit it, this may be the place you want to stay. Just look at this beach, guys. Like, it goes for miles. Amazing. Find seashells. You know, anything you can do. You can bring treasures like Sandy does. Bring them home. Just not on my boat. The construction going on here and the redevelopment of this island, I don't know what they're expecting, but they must be expecting something really big, because they're not cutting any corners here. It's amazing. And I'm really happy for the Bahamas for this happening, for these investment monies coming in, because the island is not the same as it was. Everything is better. This is not a paid plug for the Abaco Inn. It's just a really nice place, and it felt really good going there. The staff was really genuine. I just think this is a really solid place. Okay, I'm taking Sandy shopping. So, dear, which one is the one you want?
Okay, so I think these were the.
So she's going to be touching everything before and then not purchase anything. Why?
So
this is what happens all the time.
Like 19 by 15.
Sure, that's a good. Yeah. No, I think that the big one is way too big.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So that's a good size there. And it's got a little bag on the inside?
Yeah, they come with a little thing.
That's nice. And what are you going to use it for?
Well, I can use it on a boat and have toting stuff around with it.
Okay, so let me ask you, which color do you want? There's more in here. What color? There's blue, orange, green. I don't know. And there's more of that yellow and blue one here. I don't know. Think about the dirt. The blue?
It doesn't show the dirt. smell.
Okay. I like the green.
The green? I like the green too.
Okay. I like the orange as well.
No, I'm not a fan of the orange. But the green is not bad.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
What's that? So what's wrong? You want that color instead?
Key rings?
The
Key rings?
key rings right there. They have Abaco Inn on
Yeah,
it.
that's one I'm gonna bring.
Okay.
It's not looking for. Sorry.
No problem. Here we go. Here's the difficult part. Her to make a decision on the color, right? This is like every store, everything this is how she shops.
That's how she does.
You know, and at the end of the day, we're going to walk out of here without one.
She's not unusual.
She's not unusual.
Trust me, there's more than one of them.
See? See, look at this. Look at this. This is ridiculous. That's why I don't go with her.
Can you stick that on? I'm sitting right at the bar though with my wife.
No problem. What's the name?
Henderson.
Henderson.
Yeah.
Yeah, just let him put it on. I'll let him put them on again. I'll take the tag off.
Todd knows them.
No problem. I got you.
All right.
Could we have a final decision here?
Thank you, sir.
Well, I think so. The handles seem like they're a little wonky. These ones seem like they're sturdy.
Okay. All right. Look at this. This is cool. Yeah, it's a nice color. I like it.
I mean,
It'll look good on me. Okay, so it's been a half an hour, guys, now.
okay, stop, John. What do you prefer, the light green or the dark blue?
I like that one right there. Perfect. Done deal.
Okay.
Done deal. Okay.
Green.
Green it is.
Okay. And is there a sale today?
Not today.
Okay, nothing's on sale.
Nothing's on sale
It's
today.
my luck. That's my story of my life. I just want to give a big shout out to this attendant. She was so nice and she worked really hard to get this sale. I must say, you know what? I don't like going shopping with Sandy. She turns everything upside down and then she'll decide not to buy something. And so I decide not to go. But this attendant, she was first class. She could certainly sell ice to Eskimos. Sandy and I just want to thank you guys for following along on our trip of 2023 Bahamas. Hopefully you're enjoying it.